On the Newco Ace machine with a leaking water spigot, the water will sometimes accumulate down here on the countertop. So you'll have a wet base right here where the water spigot will sometimes leak onto the countertop. So in the event that that's happening, what we'll do is we'll remove this screw from the lid. After having removed the screw, we'll remove the lid by pulling it up and pushing it back. We'll put that aside. And next we're going to put a clamp on this line right here, which feeds the water spigot to the front. So we're going to put a clamp on that. So once we turn the power off on the back of the machine with a toggle switch back here, we'll turn the power off. Next, we've clamped this with a pair of vice grips so that water won't come out of the tank back here through the line and through the water spigot. Next, we'll just empty the reservoir. Okay, so that's emptied. And now we're going to just remove this cap using a pair of pliers and a cloth to back up the pliers so they don't scratch the spigot. So you will get dripping after you've loosened this. You'll get that dripping from the spigot right here. So now that we've unscrewed that, we'll just pull that up and out and remove the seat from inside here. This is the switch which activates excuse me, the water to refill when the handle's pulled up, and there's buildup down in here. So what we'll do, we'll use a bit of Lime-A-Way in a spray bottle. We'll spray that in there, spray it down there, and that Lime-A-Way will remove the buildup of lime inside the spigot and at the tip, and we'll replace the valve seat. Using a brush, we scrub away any buildup that might be on the end. We'll get down inside and brush anything out inside. Then we'll simply use a cloth, wipe it down, and we'll wipe it down some inside. Then we'll reinstall this new handle and valve seat in the water spigot position. And there's the new handle in position right there. We've tightened it down with our pliers. Now we'll release the clamp from inside, let water go to the spigot, draw a little bit of water off, and then we'll turn our machine back on. Now we'll activate the switch, refilling the spigot tube inside. As the tank level rises in the back, tank level comes up, applying downward pressure on the water that's feeding the water spigot. New handle, new seat, should have solved our problem. No leak. No leak. That's good. We'll put the lid on, call it done.